Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you a possible solution to why your auger belt keeps slipping off your snowblower. Let's go. Alright, so when I acquired this snowblower, the belt was completely broken off. Right here is your auger belt. So I put a new belt on there, ran it a couple times and it was fine, but then it would keep slipping off, so I had to keep putting it on. So then I thought, man, I gotta try to figure this out, and I found something really interesting. So right here, as you can see, there are two studs holding the auger housing onto the rest of the snowblower. There should be a third, but the middle one's missing. I got this for free. So the nut is on the bolt down here, but it's missing up here. So as you can see, when I start to move this, there is separation between the housing and the rest of the snowblower, and your pulleys start to move around when you shake it. So that could be a possible reason why the belt kept slipping off, because of vibration. So I was lucky enough to have an extra nut that was the right size, so I slipped her on there and cinched her down real tight. Alright, as you can see, after a handful of test runs, the belt stayed on just fine. So it looked like the culprit was just a little bit of separation right here from the auger housing to the body of the snowblower, and perhaps it was a vibration or just a separation that caused the belt to keep slipping off. So this might be a possible solution for you. I hope this helped, guys. If it did, make sure you like, share, subscribe, comment, all that good stuff. But most of all, thank you guys always so much for watching. Have a great day.